Let's make chocolate chip cookies. 1.5 cup of unsalted butter, 1.5 cup of brown sugar, 1.5 cup of regular sugar, then mix it, then put 1 egg and 1.5 cup of milk and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix it, then 1.5 of teaspoon of baking soda, then 1 cup of all-purpose flour. Mix it, then put 100 chocolate chips in it. You can add more if you want. Then you mix it so you can turn it into cookie dough. Once it's turned to cookie dough, then you must shape it to a ball. Then you put it in the oven for 350 Fahrenheit in the oven. If you want them, it's great.